Hello, you're welcome to this tutorial again. So what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you some AI tools where you can get design inspirations from. Alright, one of the things you need to do as a designer is to make sure you have an idea of what you create, and then you get to see what other people have created. Alright, most of the times you have to do that if you want your design process to be faster. You have to check out what others have done. How do you do that? Depending on what you want to create, there are different websites you can do that, and we are going to share some of them in this particular video. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to other people so they can benefit from these ideas that we're going to share here together as well. Alright, like I've said, depending on what you want to create, there are different websites, and some of them I've put them already here in my browser. Alright, so for flyer designs, for print designs, and basically advertising designs, you have to explore this site. I know a lot of designers use this site already. Okay, so just stay to the end. So I'm going to share some other sites as well. Alright, so for print designs and marketing designs generally, this site, which is this is my Pinterest. Okay, this is my Pinterest. Make sure you follow me if you have not. Okay, I've had some, I think I've loaded some couple of designs here. I think some of these are tutorials here. Okay, like this particular one, the tutorials for these ones are all here on this channel. Alright, so tutorials are here, and I do designs, new resources from time to time here on this channel. Okay, on this channel and also on this Pinterest. So Pinterest.com, this is one of the sites. So for example, let's get let's say Pinterest.com. Let me just go to the site itself. Okay, I have some notifications here, so you can search. If I search for, let's say, flyer designs, let's say real estate